welcome back to my channel and welcome to a cloudy day here in Charlotte. Like it really matters, you can't even see. But that's why the lighting is a little bit weird in this video, because it's really cloudy and rainy outside and it's causing my camera to like freak out. So apologies for that ahead of time, but I'm getting ready to swap out my lip color because I changed my shirt. I've been filming a lot today and I'm actually doing a wardrobe change, you guys. So I swapped over to this shirt right now and I wanted to switch my lips. I thought this would be the perfect time to try out a new lip. So this is from Canon Cosmetics, C-A-I-L, Canon, C-A-I-L-O-I-N, Canon, I believe. Cosmetics. They sent this to me to try out via Octoly and I was like, heck yeah, I'll try it out. It is their glitter lip. So it's called Matte to Glitter Lip Trio in the color Power Red. I've kind of always been a little bit curious about these glittery lip products, so I figured this was a really awesome way to test it out, try it out. So thank you, Kaylin, for giving me this opportunity. And then why not share with you guys, right? So this basically has 3 different products in it. If you open it up, there is a Pure Lust Extreme Matte Tint, there is a Carnival Glitter, and a Gel Lip Liner. So I guess all together, they make this really pretty glitter lip like what shows in this picture here. So, there's no instructions on how to do this. It's just, yeah, there's no instructions. I guess I just gotta figure it out myself. It tells you what each product is. So the matte tint, it says, indulge in this splendid blend of rich matte pigment and sweet luxe velvet. It's a tint, it nourishes lips, it's smoother than silk, it's non-drying. That's it. And then the glitter, it says, finely milled powders can be used on your eyes, your lips, your nails, or wherever you want to add extra dimension. Doesn't tell you how to put it on your lips. And then the liner, it says, is waterproof, it's vibrant, it comes in 9 beautiful shades. It's creamy, it's smooth, it's gel. It's not supposed to bleed. So yeah, no instructions on how to make this glitter lip. So we're gonna do this together. Let me get a makeup wipe and wipe off what I have on my lips right now. Okay, so I'm assuming we start with the liner. So here's what the liner looks like. It has, oh, that's the sharpener. I was like, it has a little stand. No, that's the sharpener, but I guess you could use it as a stand if you really wanted to. I like the packaging. It's just very nice looking. I think it's like a plastic coating, but if you sharpen it, then I guess it's okay to sharpen plastic. I don't know. So my lips are kind of dry right now. I hope this works out okay. That is definitely one of the most creamy lip liners I have ever put on my lips. I usually use a lot of MAC and their lip liners are like really, really stiff. I don't know why they do it that way, but this is really creamy. It went on really, really well. I kind of colored in my lips just a little bit, not a ton, because next I'm going to go in with the matte tint. So Pure Lust Extreme Matte Tint plus liquid. I don't know what that means. It smells like when lip products don't have a smell, that smell that they have. It's kind of like a plasticky scent. So, let's see. That is a beautiful, vibrant red lipstick. It makes my lips, or my teeth look super, super white. Like, don't my teeth look really white? It is, I think on the blue toned side, it's really pretty. Really, really pretty. It doesn't feel drying. It is a little bit tricky to apply because it seems to pull out a ton. When you pull the applicator out, it's just, there's a lot like that comes out. So I'm actually gonna go back in with the lip liner and just kind of touch up my lines a little bit. This is my trick. Anytime I'm messy, I go in with lip liner on top of it and it helps to fix it. Okay, so now for the glitter, and I'm a little bit confused because this dries down dry almost instantly. So I'm not really too sure how glitter is supposed to stick to something that's completely dry. I'm almost wondering if I need to like put some Fix Plus on it or what, because this is, according to the description, just simply a loose glitter. So I think, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna put some in the lid because I have a feeling this is not gonna stick. It's not gonna stick. My lips are totally dry. Yeah, I'm gonna use Fix Plus. Okay, so I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus on my finger. The glitter is really finely milled. Okay, so here's what it looks like with the glitter, and it does look really cool, but I will say, like, there's nothing stopping this glitter from just falling off. Like, I really wish, it's getting everywhere, it's getting all over my face, it's messing up my makeup. I really wish it came with some sort of like glitter glue or something to keep the glitter on. Overall, I would say if you're looking for a glitter lip kit, I wouldn't really recommend this. It is a really nice liquid lipstick. The lip liner is really nice, but even as I'm talking, like, there's glitter all over my teeth. It's getting everywhere. If you want like a really fun Instagram picture, then sure, but like, I don't know. I think the whole glitter part of this kit was a fail. So that is my thoughts. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm gonna get this off because I'm literally eating glitter and I don't want to eat glitter. But if you guys have any recommendations for glitter lips that work really well, let me know, because I'd like to try out a really fun one. This one just was a little bit of a flop, but that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Glitter all over my fingers. Bye.